In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert math equations into Google Forms quickly and easily. This process is super simple and should only take about 5 minutes of your time. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up Google Drive. This is your starting point because all Google Forms are created and stored here. Navigate over to drive.google.com and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, look for the big colourful button on the left hand side labelled New. Give that a click and a drop down menu will appear. From this menu, select Google Forms. Now you're given two options, a blank form or a template. To keep things straightforward, select a blank form. Now that you have your blank form open, it's time to give it a title. Naming your form helps in organising your drive and makes it easier for respondents to understand the context as they fill it out. To name your form, simply click where it says Untitled Form and type in your desired title. Next, enter a question. Click on the part of the form that says Untitled Question and start typing your question there. By default, questions are set to a multiple choice format. If you'd like to change it, click on the drop down menu next to the question field for other options like short answer, paragraph, or checkboxes. However, if a mathematical equation is what you're after, let's go one step further and add a tool that's going to make your life a whole lot easier. Head over to your preferred search engine and type in Equate.io for Chrome. It's a versatile extension that allows users to easily insert mathematical equations and symbols into various applications, including Google Forms. Locate the link for the Equate.io Math Made Digital on the Chrome Web Store and click on it. Once on the page, look for the Add to Chrome button and click to install the extension. Follow any prompts to complete the installation. Now switch back to your Google form. At the top right of your Chrome browser, you'll see a puzzle piece icon. This is where your extensions reside, including Equate.io. Click on it and select Equate.io. A toolbar will appear, enabling you to enter mathematical symbols and equations with ease. In the space provided by the extension toolbar, type in your equation. It's quite intuitive, so you should get the hang of it quickly. Once you're satisfied with your equation, click on the Insert Math button. Voila, your equation is inserted directly into your form. Finally, to make sure everything looks perfect, click the eye icon in the top right corner of your Google form. This is your preview link which shows exactly what your respondents will see. If needed, you can always go back and make adjustments. And there you have it, you've just added a math equation to your Google form in no time at all.